I got this gift certificate worth 500 rupees in my National Science Olympiad NSO level 2 last year in grade 3, and I bought some books from MTG. So let's see the books that they gave us. Alright. Okay. So the first book here is grade 5 prep guide for National Science Olympiad. So the next is the main part of the Olympiad workbooks for grade 5. So all of the Olympiads are included here except the Hindi Olympiad because it's new. Okay. Alright. The packaging is a little bad. Alright. ISO workbook grade 5, IEO workbook grade 5, IGK workbook grade 5, ICSO workbook grade 5, ISSO workbook also grade 5, reasoning workbook is also grade 5. 7 subjects are there. The reasoning workbook is just for practice. Bye.